Hello everyone! How to correct white balance? White balance can be subjective. Some people prefer warmer images, some prefer cooler images. In this way, some images appear more warm or orange, and some photographs are cooler or more blue. White balance plays a huge role in the outcome of an image. When beginning to edit an image, one of the first things to do is correct exposure, then the white balance. Getting an accurate white balance requires the correct adjustment of both the temperature and tint sliders. There are 4 basic methods to arrive at good results. The white balance is available inside Adjustment Mode and Manual tab. In Global Adjustment Tools, go to the White Balance section. Use the Auto White Balance setting. If an image has no obvious neutral points, it is worth exploring the Auto option as a starting point. Use the White Balance selector. You can correctly set the white balance by click on any neutral point on the image. In other words, pure white, pure black, or any neutral gray in between. Once you click on the desired point, temperature and tint are set, and you can manually adjust. Manual adjustments. You need to understand some things only. Moving the temperature slider to the right makes the image more yellow, warmer, or moving the temperature slider to the left makes the image more blue, cooler. The yellow color is opposite of blue. So, if the image contains too much blue, move the slider in yellow direction to compensate it. Using the tint slider, you can compensate the color cuts between green and purple. Moving the tint slider to the right makes the image more purple. Moving the tint slider to the left makes the image more green. Manual adjustment can achieve new creative looks and offer endless stylistic fun. Shoot raw and use the built-in white balance presets. When you are editing a raw image, PhotoDirector offers additional options in the white balance list. Here you can choose from presets that correct the white balance. Auto balance doesn't work very well on this photo. I'm gonna correct the white balance using the eyedropper by selecting the white color. Now, let's see how the color temperature changes using the various presets from the list box. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more and see you in the next time. Bye.